The world's largest iceberg, A23A, is on a collision course with a vital penguin sanctuary in South Georgia. This massive chunk of ice, roughly the size of Delaware, poses a serious threat to the delicate ecosystem of the region. As it drifts closer, it could disrupt the breeding grounds of thousands of penguins, including the iconic king and macaroni species. The impact of this iceberg isn't just about the ice, it's about the food chain. Penguins rely on krill, which thrive in these waters. If the iceberg blocks sunlight or alters water temperatures, it could decimate the krill population, leading to a catastrophic ripple effect. Scientists are closely monitoring this situation, hoping to understand how we can mitigate the impact on these resilient yet vulnerable creatures. The fate of the penguins hangs in the balance, reminding us of the urgent need to address climate change and protect our planet's fragile ecosystems. The world's largest iceberg, A23A, is on a collision course with South Georgia, a vital subantarctic island and a critical breeding ground for penguins and seals. The massive iceberg, twice the size of Greater London, has been drifting in the Southern Ocean since breaking free from Antarctica in 1986. Scientists are concerned that A23A could ground on the shallow continental shelf surrounding South Georgia, blocking access to feeding grounds for penguins and seals. This could have a devastating impact on their populations, as they would have to travel further to find food, expending more energy and potentially leaving their young vulnerable. A23A also poses a threat to the island's fragile ecosystem. As it melts, it will release large amounts of freshwater and nutrients into the ocean, which could disrupt the delicate balance of the marine environment. The iceberg's journey is being closely monitored by scientists, who are trying to predict its path and assess the potential impact on South Georgia. While the situation is concerning, it is hoped that A23A will eventually drift past the island without causing significant damage. The potential collision of iceberg A23A with South Georgia is a significant environmental concern, as it highlights the interconnectedness of ecosystems and the challenges posed by climate change. While the immediate threat to penguins and seals is alarming, the broader implications could affect a wide range of species in the region, from fish to seabirds, all dependent on a stable environment. The iceberg's impact could alter the nutrient dynamics in the Southern Ocean, potentially causing changes in the composition of plankton and other marine life that are crucial to the food web. This disruption could have far-reaching consequences for the biodiversity of the area. Scientists are using satellite imagery, oceanographic models, and on-site observations to track the iceberg's movement and predict its future interactions with the island. The research being conducted not only aims to safeguard the wildlife of South Georgia but also contributes valuable data on the effects of changing ice dynamics in a warming world.